So me and my friend had a mutual agreement and ultimately worked together, and now he is able to communicate with my 3CX server in the cloud. I actually lent him one of these Polycom VVX400s, but the thing about these VVX400s is that they are not able to work by themselves on the cloud server. Like, they won't register properly. So in order to get around that, you have to set up a 3CX SBC, Session Border Controller. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is with these VVX400s, because for whatever reason, 3CX considers them legacy. In my case, the SBC, my SBC, is running on my Raspberry Pi 3, and it runs flawlessly, no problems at all. And yeah, it lets my VVX400 get registration from the cloud server. So my friend is in a remote location, so now let's jump to his point of view to see how he has his SBC set up, and ultimately see him place a test call on the server.
Hello everybody, this is Bluestone, welcome back. So, a classmate of mine gave me a VoIP phone to to hook up in my house, and he to try to call him, bridging through the internet to have some fun with that. Just to see if we could get it working, and we did. But to do that, he had me set up what is this? 3CX Session Border Control. It's just a program I downloaded, and I didn't even have to do any configuration with it. But what it does is it tunnels, there's the file location by the way, it tunnels through the internet and pretends like his house and my house are the same local area network, so it just allows us to do some local calling rather than having to register a number with it, which would be costing money and EU money. So yeah, that's running on this computer over here, but the phone itself, which is actually really nice, is well, this one's hooked up to my home network here, and the phone itself is all the way on over here, and I have his, well, those things. Oh, hey, you can see me. Hello. But I have his hotkey numbers to, like, there's me, Bluestone. There are a few of them. I don't remember which one I'm supposed to call. I think it's the middle one here. So yeah, it's just a regular phone, and it's hooked up to the network through that network switch, and they're not. These two, the phone and the server, are not connected directly. They're both connected to the switch. For somehow the 3CX, actually it's on here, the 3CX program over there can find this phone and allow it to call. So maybe if I do this, I didn't pick up the headset, so it's just going to go to speaker here.
Hello?
Hey Nathan, how's it going?
Ah, it's pretty good.
Wow, I didn't expect this to work on the first try. I just recorded an explanation clip of what's going on my end. You are like half an hour or 45 minutes away, 30 miles away, right?
Yeah, like 31 miles.
Okay, and okay, so this 3CX thing, I said this to the video, but I'm not sure if this is correct, but it's pretending like both of our houses are in the same local area network, so we can do these call things without registering a number, right?
Well, it's a cloud server, actually. It's being run on a Google Cloud platform, and I mean, it's not a phone number necessarily. It's like a 4-digit extension number.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's what I thought. The internal call. Okay, cool. So yeah, it's like, what? You want to set up a phone in my house? Do I have to pay for that? No, I don't, because we're using this Google provided tunneling thingy, which was pretty neat.
I'm gonna show. Oh yeah, so for the cabling thing, I have the phone connected, the phone and the server connected to the same switch, so they're not directly connected or anything. I don't know how the 3CX thing recognizes that there's a phone over here, but it does, and I have it connected to the LAN port. I think.
Nice.
Yeah, the LAN port. Because if it's the PC port, then the PC, I can hook up another computer to this baby switch inside the phone here and add another computer to this network, right? That's how it works. That's a switch.
Yeah, it's like a mini switch on the back of the phone.
Okay, yeah, I thought so, but that's pretty cool. So there are numbers for these things, and I could have pressed it. I did this hotkey that you set up on the side here. I don't know how you did that, but yeah, that'll be in your video, whatever. So I pressed this thing, and that just does a local call without going through any cellular networks, so it's completely free, right?
Yeah, completely free.
Awesome. Well,
And yeah, what you're talking about is the busy lamp fields.
yeah. Oh,
Basically, like,
is that what they're called? I never used these things, so.
so yeah, like I programmed in the server interface, like the extensions, like which extensions to be associated with those keys,
Oh, okay.
with those BLFs.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, when they're not on the phone, you can push their button. It automatically, it's like a speed dial. It automatically dials that extension. But then if they get on the phone, that line key lights up red.
Oh yeah, I see that. And that works if you're like calling the analog cordless phone. Both of them will light up red. Okay, that's cool. Interesting. That's really neat. I'm glad you set this up for me. At first, I was a little worried that it would take up too much bandwidth for my home network, and my parents would get a little annoyed that they couldn't work. But no, this.
Yeah, VoIP is really not that demanding. Don't worry about that.
Yeah, it's really nice, and it's not. I don't have to use my computer's processing power, even though I do have a great computer. I don't have to use my computer's processing power and stuff like that to stream voice over Discord or something. I just use a phone.
Yeah.
Of course, it is an extra device and taking up more space on my desk, but yeah, that is more than fine. And I can do multiple people at 2 desks, for example, here. That's really cool.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for sharing this with me. I'm gonna get back to.
I'm gonna get back to playing some Minecraft, but hey, this is really fun. Maybe I'll record another video with you later, huh?
All right, yeah, that sounds good.
Okay. Now I don't know how to phone this thing up, so wait? I think pressing the speaker button it turns off the speaker and sets the headset to the handset. Is handset, right?
So, what are you talking about?
Is this a handset or a headset?
It's called a handset.
Handset. Okay, it is a handset. So, do I pick up the handset and put it down because you're on speaker? I don't know how to.
I mean, if you called me on speaker, just push speaker again to cancel the call.
Okay. All right, Nathan. I'll see you later. This has been Bluestone.
All right, see you later.
Bye.
So this has been a video over me and my friend being interconnected on the same 3CX cloud server. It works as it should. And thank you all for watching the video, and you guys have a nice day.